Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yunisara from the V923 class. In this presentation, I will discuss why I like channels and how channels can motivate or inspire me. The first channel from Guruku Mr. D. This content gives me a lot of knowledge and no knowledge from trivial matters to things that I don't know. I could learn the correct pronunciation, correct writing, and even customs or language habit. For example, all we know is the pronunciation that is almost similar, but the meaning is very different, which can affect the interpretation.
Want sama won't. Masalahnya adalah karena biasanya orang yang membingungkan kata-kata ini pakai logat British. I want you to marry me.
No, I won't. I won't ever marry a scoundrel like you.
Emang terdengar mirip kalau logat British. Tapi sebelum aku bedain pengucapannya, aku mau jelasin sesuatu. Seharusnya dari konteks pendengarnya bisa bedain. Want, mau. Won't, tidak akan. I want you to marry me, pasti bukan. Aku tidak akan kamu nikah aku. Aneh ya? No, I won't, pasti bukan enggak aku mau. Gimana sih? Enggak.
Second channels, Nadia Omara. This content also often fills my spare time, especially when there is coronavirus, and I also know a lot of things, from mystical and criminal things. In this content also give me a lot about many things at home or abroad.
Menyisakan kisah seram dan cerita di masa lalu. Dia mengatakan waktu masuk ke wilayah Bukit Soeharto itu, suasananya udah gak enak, auranya campur-campur. Antara sedih, marah, duka, kelam gitu katanya. Nah kebetulan pula Bang Samsul ini dikenal agak lebih sensitif dibanding kawan-kawannya. Walaupun dia juga menampik kalau dia ini diikuti oleh makhluk astral. Udah lah kan dia simpan sendiri aja lah tuh rasa ketakutan dia. Sampai dia di Samarinda, perasaan ganjil yang menyertainya pun menjadi...
For example, this content tells you always be vigilant and careful when you do something. Third channels, Ceramah Ustadz Adi Hidayat LC MA. The last 1 month I have opened this video and I can make me better, and I also try to always do good. My parents always teach me to do a lot of good to someone, and it's not good to hold drugs, because holding drugs can make me depressed, and if we have a problem, better leave it to love. The conclusion of
terusnya. Tapi tahukah Anda apa yang terjadi? Setelah berbagai cacian, makian, tuduhan macam-macam diterima oleh Nabi SAW, lantas tibalah masanya Allah menurunkan satu surah, bahkan disandingkan dengan surah yang lainnya. Bersandinglah dua surah ini secara bersamaan turun. Surah ke-93 dan surah ke-9.
This video nothing to hold drugs and no use to affect someone's screams against us. Fourth channel, BDS. Briefly, I apologize to Mr. Jasmine. Why do I include this my segment? Because they are what make me enthusiastic about the text. There are 7 people who really inspired me about the struggle of life and never give up. I admire them not only to see their face or wealth, but they can we until now be able to success this because of their struggle and patience, because every effort will never betray end results, and their songs are not just songs, but many meanings that I can take from each of their songs, and because of their family spirit, and they make me less stressed if I have problems or many texts. Right now, I really want to meet him, and me want to say thank you very much for teaching me the meaning of never give up. and always being enthusiastic even now, even though sometimes it's not seen.
We have learned to love ourselves. So now I urge you to speak yourself.
And this video contains the BTS speech at UNICEF and teaches us to believe in ourselves and how to love yourself, and try to always rise from a rock. BTS support the launch of Generation Unlimited, a new global partnership to help every young person get quality education. The last channel, Chef Arnold. This is content about how to cook or process various types of food. And literally, I often cook for my father. My cooking is not as good as Chef Arnold, but I just want my father to know if I really want to be able.
Mulai, pertama-tama, yes, endok. Mau lebih putih, mau lebih kuning, mau lebih apa, terserah, yang penting endok ya. Nah, 1, 2. Kita akan bahas perbedaan omelet di Eropa dan juga di Asia. Perbedaannya itu apa? Kita akan masak pertama adalah omelet ini.
I find a good way to prepare eggs that are more fluffy and delicious. So that's all about my presentation. In conclusion, if what we watch while being useful and can increase knowledge is not a problem, and now is knowledge obtained not from school or college, but can be social media and do what you like. It's useful and doesn't cause negative. I am K-popers, but I try not forget obligation in the real world. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.